Should you be paying large upfront fees for the sale of your lower middle market manufacturing company? In a word, no, you shouldn't. You shouldn't have to. Companies that charge large upfront retainers are usually generalists. They take anything that comes in the door, whether or not they think that they can actually sell the company. And the reason that they do that is the retainers are helping to cover their overhead. These companies will often put forth the idea that if someone is not charging a retainer up front, then they're doing less than quality work, that they're not doing a recast on financials, or perhaps that they're only doing a one-page teaser rather than an extensive pitch book that's anywhere from 60 to 125 pages long. Nothing could be further from the truth. Perhaps the reason that some companies like mine don't charge a retainer up front is that we only take companies on board as clients that we know we can sell. And we're so confident that we can sell those client companies that we don't need to charge a retainer up front. So again, don't fall for that trap. There is no need to pay large retainer and monthly expenses.